All right, so for materials today, we need a ruler. We might need some whiteout. We need some colored markers, including a black, and organic pieces. I just went ahead and, without telling anyone, maybe I should ask permission, and I took a leaf off a houseplant. Now, this is the perfect opportunity to ask to go outside and get a leaf also. But make sure whatever you do, you ask permission. So let's clear all this stuff off except for my two markers. Let's see how these work and to see if I like the colors. A little scrap piece of paper. Oh, I don't know if that shows up on camera, but that's a pretty neon yellow. And then I have my favorite, which is a pink. Well, I think that shows up okay. The yellow might not show up on the camera very well, but you'll definitely get the idea. Let's put this aside. Hopefully we won't need it. So what you're going to do, boys and girls, today is we are starting an optical illusion. All right? It's really cool, and it's great for the younger age group. I take my ruler. I don't want it all sloppy like that. I want it nice and straight. So I line it up right on my very edge. There we go. I hold it with my holding hand because, you know, I am the boss of the ruler. And then I take this side and I draw my line. And then I pick it up and I'm going to move it on over. I'll line it up really nice. Press it with my holding hand. And again with my ruler. Now you can use any straight edge like that. That's okay to get marker on it. Make sure you ask your parents if you're not sure, parents, aunts, uncles, whoever you're borrowing it from. And down again. And I keep doing this all the way across. Oh no, that one's not working. Oh, there it goes. Hold and trace. So I'm lining it up as nice as I can. Make sure you don't have one hidden. That would have been disastrous. So let's lift that up and double check. Whew, we're good. All right. So down here, you can use the side of a piece of paper, the side of an old book. Just make sure you ask. I'm going to lift it up, move it over, and down. Hold, because I am the boss of the ruler. I'm going to slide it over that time. So nothing under it. Now, I don't want to leave that little gap there. I do want to get rid of it. There we go. And down. And you're probably wondering, why are we making all these straight vertical lines? Well, it's going to look awesome and amazing in just a minute. This is going to be a simple form of optical illusion. I hope you enjoyed the video I posted for you. There are many, many artists in that. All right, so here we go. And we have all of these nice, beautiful geometric shapes. Geometric, right? Straight lines, perfect edges, or maybe perfect curves. What could we put in here that would be organic? Oh yeah, the leaf I asked to use. So here we go. I'm going to put some on there and I'm going to just kind of scatter it around. There we go. Oh, this is not working as well as I was hoping because those edges keep moving. But I'm going to give it a try. Now, I don't want to necessarily just put it right there in the middle because that could be just boring. We don't want it boring. We want it to look like it's scattered around. So here we go. I'm going to hold it with my holding hand. And I'm going to trace it with my tracing hand. As best as I can. Oh, that worked out pretty well. This is crazy. What is she having us do? So here's another one. Let's scatter that on there. Nice organic shapes. So it's a line moving along that closes. And it's right around an irregular shape. There's nothing really perfect about it. Uh-oh, I didn't close that. I better close it. There we go. And I have another. Wish I had something else. Ooh, maybe I can use a geometric shape. Let's put another geometric shape in there. Better ask first. What if it leaves a mark? There we go. A nice, beautiful geometric circle. Ta-da! All right, I'm going to put that one back. Got another leaf. Oh, it looks like I'm just making these leaves all over, huh? I think that's what I'm doing. Now we're going to make all of these shapes. We did the vertical, geometric, long rectangles first. That gave us the background. Now we're putting in the organic leaves, a geometric circle, and how about one more organic leaf? How do you feel about that? And go right around and around. Depending on how large they are, I think that just about works. So this concludes the first part of our optical illusion video. This is where you're going to stop for today. Then the next time you come, we'll go ahead and tell you how you're going to color it. Keep in mind, it's all about alternating and skipping and moving around. So here's our wonderful geometric rectangles behind our organic leaves. And I also threw in a circle in there because I get tired of drawing all those leaves. Always make sure you know which one is which though. The leaves are organic and the circle is geometric. I thought that would be nice just to throw on in. So until next time, this is where we're going to stop. Make sure you have your colors next time. See you then. Bye-bye, fellow artists.